Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can apply a basic photo effect to any photo in Canva. So Canva has many features that allow you to make your photo more customizable. You can change the color, you can apply some effects similar to Instagram or Facebook when you can upload a photo and then add some filters before you can post it. So anyway, if you want to apply some photo effect, you must upload an image, or you can also select the one from the Canva library, which is exactly the photo that I'm using right now. And you can click on the photo, click edit, and it will reveal a lot of options right here. So let's go with the number one, which is the adjust option. This is kind of the manual option. If you know how to adjust the temperature, brightness, shadows, colors, if you know how to play around with these numbers, then go for it. But you can also just use the auto adjust feature, and you can also select which part of the image that you want to apply the effect to. You can select whole image, foreground, and also the background. So if I click auto adjust on the whole image, this is the setting that Canva thinks is the best for this particular photo. And of course, you can always change the mood or the color of this photo later. And that's basically for the adjustment. I'm going to reset and let's see what else that we got. The second option is the Magic Studio. This is a bit more advanced, and this is probably not really a photo effect. This is more like modifying the photo. For example, you could change the object of the photo, you could remove a person, you could remove a shadow, you could add something. And I actually have talked about that on my previous video, and this is just a bit too much for this video. So you can check out my channel and search for this Magic Studio option, and you'll find a lot of interesting options that you could try to make your photo more interesting. The next option is filters. Filters is probably going to be the most popular option because it is exactly what it sounded like. It's a filter. You can see all the different filters available, and if you want to apply that, just need to click and that filter will be applied. And of course, you could always adjust the intensity if you want to. So that is for a filter. It's very simple, and that's basically it. The next option is called effects, and this is probably very interesting, especially if you want to make the photo almost like it has been modified by a professional. And this is actually a combination of some basic filters and also AI features. And yeah, this is a lot. I'm not going to talk all of that. There are many options, but I just want to show you one example. I'm going to use autofocus. So as you can see here, this picture has 4 different people. The 2 in the front at the front, and the other 2 is in the background. So I just want to focus on, let's say, one specific person, and the rest will be blurred. So I'm going to just change the position. As you can see here, I'm going to just apply focus to this person in the very front, and that's basically it. I can increase the blur intensity, and you'll see that everyone is being blurred. They are in the background, and this guy is going to be in the main focus. But you could always change the focus later. For example, you could make the focus on this woman, this girl, and the rest will be blurred. So I think this is very interesting option if you want to isolate the photo, or you have a lot of people in the photo and then you want to focus on specific people or specific person, then go use this feature. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's remove autofocus and let's go back. And that's basically it. Now you might have noticed there is an option called apps, and this is a lot. There are so many apps available in Canva. They are usually third-party apps, and there are hundreds, maybe thousands of different apps that you could use. And this is not part of Canva. This is more like a third-party tool that is integrated with Canva. So well, I guess it's impossible to talk all about that. But anyway, I will try, let's say, I will try this slice feature. I think that's very interesting. So usually it's going to ask for permission, and you have to click open. After that, you should be able to access this feature, and you could apply some effects that is offered by this app to your picture. So let's try this one, and that is the result. You could also use this one. And yeah, maybe there's going to be some use cases where this is probably a good effect, but Anyway, that's basically how you can use a third-party app to add some effects to your photo in Canva. But yeah, that's basically it. That's some features available in Canva where you can apply some effects to your photo. In any case, I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you later.